Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Mohammad Sufyan, and I am from Ranebnur, Karnataka. I have studied my computer science engineering in STJT College, Ranebnur. Later on, I was searching for cybersecurity courses. I had interest in the cybersecurity. Then I got to know about the Razz Security from Google. Then I inquired about it, and I got the admission in the Razz Security. I learned a lot of things, like I learned about the networking, Linux commands. Then we did some web application hacking, Android hacking. I got a lot of information about the networking and the commands. I learned a lot about hacking and all. The staff is also very cooperative, and they will help out if you have any problem and all, and they will solve our problems. They will teach in a good manner, and the topics are also like very interesting, and we'll come to know about the Linux commands, how it works, and hacking, web hacking, like web application hacking,